Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filters to your picture on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Edit Photo button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. Now go to the Filters option next to the Crop option at the bottom of the screen, and here you can select different filters and you can set the strength of the filter. Just pile the line on the scale and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.